If you can get these 3 things right, then you will stop chasing pennies and start raking in commission like a pro. Hey friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I am not going to bore you with the same old-fashioned tips. Create a blog, send emails, write reviews, create content, and the rest of them. Rather, I am going to show you 3 no-fluff, battle-tested ways to make $10,000 with affiliate marketing that actually work in 2025. And if you are lazy, this video is not for you. So before we get the ball rolling, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with others to benefit also. Now, here is a simple fact. Most people fail in affiliate marketing for one reason, and that is playing the wrong game. Now, here are 3 simple basic ways to make $10,000 with affiliate marketing that you can apply starting right now. Everyone is talking about creating content about your affiliate products, but the secret is not all about creating content, it is hijacking content. Now, here is what I mean. A new AI tool drops and everyone is confused about the tool, and you are the first person to drop a 2-minute breakdown or a comparison guide about this new tool. That your content will spike because the trend is hot, and boom, your affiliate link will ride the wave. The secret is go where the attention already is. So stop waiting for slow SEO traffic, hijack momentum, get in early, and profit while the confusion is still alive. So hijacking trend is the first secret of making $10,000 from affiliate marketing. The second simple basic way to make $10,000 from affiliate marketing is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the oldest methods but still most effective way of making consistent commission from affiliate marketing. Now, here is how to make $10,000 using this method. You build an email list by offering something valuable for free. This could be in form of a simple guide, a secret template, a mini course, or any other thing valuable, something that your community will like, something that your followers, your audience will really appreciate from you. You give it for free, alright? This could serve as a bait. So once they subscribe to what you are offering to them for free, you can now nurture the relationship. So like I said, you can nurture the relationship by continually sending them helpful tips, resources, and eventually recommending your affiliate product to them. Note, while recommending, what you should recommend should be in line with their interests. You should recommend something that aligns with their interests. Recommend a product that aligns with their interests. This could give you the opportunity of making $10,000 or even more from affiliate marketing through email marketing. If what you are promoting is $1,000, for example, and you are given a commission of 50%, and you are able to sell up to 20 pieces of what you are promoting, that's your $10,000 target is just realized. Very simple. What are we saying? Offer first something valuable to your community for free. Use that as a bait to get their emails, and then recommend something that aligns with their interests, and then the money that you are looking for will now come as a result of this. This is one of the most effective ways of earning recurrent commission in affiliate marketing. This method is powerful because unlike social media where platform exists today and tomorrow is no more, email marketing remains forever. Once you get the email of your followers or your community, that email list remains with you forever, and you can continually use that list to make continual profit from your affiliate marketing business. Email marketing is one of the game-changing methods in affiliate marketing. The third simple basic way of making $10,000 from affiliate marketing is being brutally honest with your review. Let me explain. Here is a little dirty secret about this method. Most affiliate reviews are fake fluff or too superficial. You hear things like, this product is amazing, 3 stars, 5 stars, only the positive, even when the product doesn't qualify, and they recommend to their community, and they think people will trust them. Now, here is how to do it better. Rip the product apart. Lay bare what sucks about the product. Show what is broken if there is any. Don't hide anything. Then explain why you still recommend or why you don't recommend. Being negative sometimes sells more. This is because your honesty stands out in a sea of sugar-coated nonsense. So being brutally honest helps you gain the trust of your community, and that makes it easier for you to sell more. You can also create a tutorial about your product, showing people how to use it and subtly recommending that product to them. So you now have a choice. 1. To keep promoting your affiliate marketing the old way and still having the same results. Or 2. To apply these 3 strategies that gives you leverage. That is hijacking trend, building unbreakable email lists, and being brutally honest in your reviews. If you carefully follow this method, then you will stop chasing pennies and start raking in commission like a pro. So, if you are serious about building affiliate income, hit that subscribe button now. And if you want my personal starter kit with the tools that I use, check the description of this video to get access to this. It is free to join, but it will not be free forever. Therefore, stop scrolling and start earning with these 3 basic strategies, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.